Arizona rats running wild in the ceiling. We're about to get started right now. All right, so Martha and Steve, who is a big follower on our YouTube channel, they said, guys, we think we've got them. We're hearing some activity here and there, but we really need you guys to come out and verify if in fact our sewer system, if there's no breaches in there. So that's what we're about to do today. We're gonna do some smoke testing and we're gonna figure out how these rats got in the ceiling. So let's go in and meet Steve. All right, so we're here with Dave and Steve. So Steve, you've been hearing activity for how long?
6 months off and on.
Okay, and then so you went up to the roof, you did all of your exclusion work.
Right.
By covering all the vents.
All the vents have been sealed off with the wire.
Okay.
That seemed to work. We found no activity after we did that for a while.
So it slowed way down, quiet.
Almost nothing, if nothing. And then relatively recent, we heard a lot of noise in pretty much all over the house, in the walls. Never seen any signs anywhere.
And so have you had other pest control companies come out or?
For this particular thing, yeah. No.
No, got it. Yeah, you can see, guys, Steve's house is absolutely spotless. So he's not hearing or seeing any signs inside his house, which is good.
I've never seen any shredding anywhere.
That's great. So here's his master bathroom here. And which wall would you say, Steve, in the master?
The noise is this wall.
Oh, this wall right here.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so here's the roof. Here's that bathroom near where we were talking to him, near the TV. Dave's becoming a rat, guys. He's becoming a rat. Oh, oh yeah. Right there, dude. Daniel, what do you think?
Oh, damn.
All right, guys, based on the assessment, we're gonna open up that ceiling around that bathroom fan and conduct our smoke test. So let's get right to it. All right, so the team is starting to put the floor protection here in the bedroom. Tyler's getting everything set up here. I've got my moisture reading device, and I'm gonna go ahead and check to see if there's any active moisture right now. Dry. So if there was moisture, guys, this moisture reader would be red. It would show that reading right there. Definitely looks like urine, no stain. Because usually if a shower doesn't have a lot of ventilation, you're gonna get sort of black moldy spots, and I'm not getting that here. So we'll check the first bathroom by opening up that, and that'll sort of reveal this here. We're got some plastic here to cover the vanity and the mirror. We took all his towels and everything that was hanging on the shower doors. We took them outside, and then we're gonna go ahead and create a curtain over there to protect the register and the shower stall. And we'll get ready to cut. It'll be interesting to see what we find above that ceiling. There's the bathroom right there, getting the smoke machine. And that's where the bathroom exhaust and that vent is. Oh, there's a guy looks just like me. So Dave and the team are there, and Tyler and I are gonna go ahead and get up there and get some smoke. I don't think he has sewer rats. I think what happened was the rats were going in through the bathroom fan and nesting up there. That's kind of what it appears, but can't make any assumptions. You've got to, complete the process. So we're gonna go ahead and open that up right now. Right, you can hear Dave. You can hear Dave and them cutting. Ooh. Oh, what is that? Is that nesting material?
Maybe. It could be the roof or the...
Yeah, but there are droppings right here, right? Yeah, definitely some nesting material there. Definitely a lot of droppings in here. Okay, let's pull this insulation out. Okay, guys, so right here you can see where the rats chewed the bottom of the wood here. It looks nice and white there. You can see the chew marks, and then right here, look at all the activity. And then right here is where they were getting in. So the fan vent terminates through the roof right here. So this is where they were coming in, wide open to the home. That's why it's important to screen the vents off, especially doing permanent sealing. exclusion work is super, super important so you don't have this problem again. All right, let's go to the other bathroom now. All right, so the team's getting ready for this other bathroom now where the potential rat urine bleeding through the ceiling. We're gonna open that up. Okay, so we've got the bathroom fully contained and we're ready to cut. So you could tell that this is some old droppings.
It smells on this side.
Like pee?
Mm-hmm.
So you can see Steve's house is pretty sealed up all the way around, especially on this back side. There's no
common area wall there.
yeah common area. Here's what the shared unit that is back to back with Steve's. And a lot of times you just don't know if the neighbors are, because a lot of the neighbors just don't talk to each other. So they could be having a rat issue and Steve doesn't know and these customers may not know. So that's the challenge when you're dealing with units here. I do see some wire mesh, you guys. Right along there, there's some, looks like they use chicken wire. So they could be having an issue.
Hi, dear. They want to ask you some questions.
Okay.
Hi, Martha.
Hi. Thanks for being there.
Oh, you're welcome. Steve's just been giving us a hard time. I was just wondering if you can help us out by getting him out of here for a couple hours so we can do our job.
Uh-oh. Because I'm asking him questions and he's going to you because of me. I'm the problem.
Well, we're not getting any indications that the rats are coming in from the sewer system. But we opened up the ceiling in the bathrooms without touching your wallpaper, mind you.
Oh, God love you.
We opened up the ceiling around both fans, and they both have heavy amounts of rat droppings.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So what I'm seeing as of right now, what I'm seeing is they were coming in from the roof, coming in through the ventilation from the bathroom vent, which Steve has already sealed up. What we need to do is we're gonna set a trap up inside the master bath ceiling. In fact, both bathrooms. And we're gonna have to monitor. But as of right now, all the indications are proving that they're coming in from the bathroom ventilation from the roof.
Oh, terrific. Thank you. Terrific.
All right, guys, it's just a waiting game now. We just got to find out if they're going to get any more activity. As of right now, they shouldn't, but you never know, especially with a common area and a sewer system that we don't have access to right now. So we're going to go ahead and wait and see, and we'll keep you updated. All right, guys, well, we got a text message last night from Steve about an hour after we left and set the traps. That's right. He says, a big ruckus in the master bath ceiling. Now it's dead quiet. So guys, the question is, did the rat get away or did we get him in the rat trap? Catch him. Going around the corner, dude about 60, looking for rats in a big friggin' city. We stopped up ahead to get a bite to eat, but then we got a text message from Steve saying, hey twins, I think you trapped a big piece of meat. All right, guys, enough of the rap. Let's get here and check this out. We just pulled up. What do we got, Jimmy?
All right, Steve, we've got the ceiling opened up. Let's see what we've got. What do you think? What do you think?
There's a lot of noise up there. So
was there a lot of noise?
I'm betting there's one up there.
So
either that or he's strong enough to walk off with the trap.
Here we go. Got the trap, Dave?
Got the trap. And...
Oh, I see it.
oh, look at that.
That's a nice hit there.
Yeah. All right. Let me,
Nice tail on it.
yeah, got him good.
We're gonna have,
Oh, wow.
we're gonna have to rebait.
Boy, look at, he ate that bait up. Yeah, look at that. I think another rat came in.
Yep.
Finished him
Yeah,
off.
you're right. The rat came in and finished off the meal.
So we'll have to set this up again.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and rebait. The last one, guys, we added a sponge. You could see that the other rat potentially took off with that sponge with bait. So we're gonna go ahead and use a small little piece of
Cloth here. And again, what this does is it keeps the rat on his bait a lot longer. Saturate it like this.
So we're gonna go ahead and add 2 traps now. Double down on the trapping here. And then we're gonna go to that other bathroom right now and see if the bait
Was taken
off that other trap that was not set.
activated yet. Alright, let's see.
Alright, let's see if they took the bait on this one here.
Oh my gosh, the feeder plate's gone. They were tugging on it so hard. They took the plate. Oh, look at that. I've never seen that before. Wow. I'm pissed, Steve.
Well, maybe it was a defective trap.
Must have been a defective one, but look, guys, I'm pulling on this thing. Have no idea. Never ever seen that with all the trapping we've done. Hey guys, if you're a pest control company, leave your comments. I'd like to see if you've ever had that happen where they take the whole plate. All right, Steve, we're gonna have a twin challenge here in your home. We've got 2 traps here.
One for each of you?
I'm gonna label it Jim, and we're gonna label it DS for Dave. And we're gonna see who catches the biggest rat. Okay guys, this is Jim's. I already set mine going this way, so we'll put Jim's on this side. Just like that. All right guys, not even 2 hours later, Steve's calling us going, hey, I hear some more ruckus in the bathroom. So we're headed over there right now to see what we got. Oh, so this is the bathroom where the challenge is.
This is the challenge.
Oh.
The challenge. This is the challenge room.
Okay.
I thought it was the master again.
So what's your prediction, Steve?
Well, the noise seemed to be coming over on this side, so I don't know what that means.
That means Dave's on this side. Ooh. Oh, look at that.
Come right where you're supposed to
And
be.
this is Dave.
This
This
is
is Dave. This is the Dave one. So far, Dave's the winner, as always. All right, guys, we're headed back to Steve. Literally, after we left and set the traps, he texted us about an hour later saying, we've got some activity going around the corner. Doing about, we don't have time to wrap our wrapping. We need to stick with rat versus wrap. Don't you guys agree? Post that in the comments. All right, guys, let's go see Martha and see what we have as far as rats. Martha! How are you?
Adorable.
Oh, thank you.
Just like on the video.
Okay, so we've got, now it's in the master. So we're kind of going back and forth. We go from the main bathroom to the master. So we're going to open this back up. Let's see what we have in there, guys. Ooh,
Yeah, God, I'm getting them
we're
good.
getting them really good. Look at
Really
that.
good.
So this is number 3. Did you want to see?
Wow.
All right, well, say hi to Steve.
I will.
Yeah.
You're my movie stars.
Aw, thank you. Thank you so much.
Bless
Appreciate it.
you.
Bless
Good
you.
luck.
Wow, Martha was super special.
It's been a long day, and she put a smile on my face.
Yeah.
Love her energy, love her vibe. So excited
Awesome
to see
people.
us. So, look, guys, we're gonna go ahead and leave this to our AZ team. They're gonna continue to follow up with Steve and Martha while we're headed to some other projects. But one of the big takeaways here in this sort of structure environment, you've got a neighbor next door, you've got all the exclusions taken care of, but you're still getting activity. You gotta be patient, gotta set up the traps. I would say up to 2 weeks to 3 weeks before you
minimum
start
of 2
patching
weeks.
walls and painting is my point. That is correct, guys. So, hey, thanks for following us on this journey. Leave your comments down below. I'd love to hear what you'd have to say. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.